And we are back. These, you can tell, are different. So the ones that I always show you is this type. And this is a different type. As you can clearly see, different color, different style. They are autumn prints. So yeah, I'll show you all the different colors as they come. So look, starts like that, and that'll be open soon. So I'll show you those when they're open.